I always get a little excited when the plane's about to land and you look out the windows and see all of the bright lights. Viva Las Vegas!
Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm Rach.
For years now, we've enjoyed traveling the world together, near and far.
Whether it's creating lifelong memories, diving into distant cultures of the world, or just satisfying our craving to go somewhere new.
We invite you to come along to experience life's journey with us. When you're checking in, be sure to take time to admire the amazing glass sculpture that hangs from the ceiling in the lobby. What an incredible piece of art. Made it to Vegas.
Yes.
What a freaking hectic day. But we're here. We are going to Lago for dinner. We just checked in. We'll do the room tour after this. We're literally about 20 minutes late. Hopefully they take us.
Lago is an upscale Italian restaurant by the famous chef Julian Serrano. The focus here is on small plates with a modern concept. However, the main attraction here clearly are the fountain views at dinner.
Starting with the bruschetta. Lasagna, what'd you get? Oh, the pasta. Looks good. Like the show, huh?
I love it. It's like a different angle. I've seen it
It appears that all the seats in the restaurant are great for the fountain views. However, I'd imagine these by the window would probably be best. And this is our room at the Bellagio. They say that we got upgraded. I guess we did. I think more so for the view. Pretty nice shower, walk-in shower. His and her sinks, look at that. A tub if you want it. We never use a tub. You'll never see us in our videos ever using a tub.
Oh, we're going to show people using the tub.
Yeah, very nice. Closet here. We're only here for one night. We just had dinner at Lago. It was really good. Views were spectacular, the fountains. Food was really good. I wish the portions were a little bigger, but it was good.
Well, it's supposed to be a more tapas style, I believe.
Yeah.
That's why.
So all in all, pretty spacious, nice room. We'll be out of here tomorrow afternoon. We're going to another property right next door. We won't tell you where yet, but I bet you can guess. And the view is pretty cool.
I'll give you this pen. It's not that nice for...
Not a very nice pen.
For the Bellagio, supposedly, I think a 5 diamond.
Yeah.
Pen's a little lacking.
Whoa, is that like a Bic pen?
Yeah.
Ooh. See, that's my thing now, is collecting pens from really nice places that we go, and I use them for work at home on my desk. And I got a whole collection of them there. That will not be in the collection. It's not a good pen.
I will still keep it though.
You'll keep it. I will not be using it at my desk. Well, mini bar. Won't be, I will not touch it. So there is no fridge here, is there?
That's quite standard.
It's quite standard, but it's one of those pet peeves I have. And I know that it's standard, but I'm allowed to complain about it. I don't like the fact that if you pay hundreds of dollars for a room, you don't have a little fridge. Maybe it's just me.
That's Vegas. They want to get you.
I know they want you to buy the stuff. You can get ice. I get it. That's a pet peeve.
One thing I noticed about this bathroom that I liked, well, I haven't used these brands, but I do think these are nice size toiletries that they give you. Oh, it says it's designed in Australia.
Is it from Australia?
No, it's just designed.
Designed there.
The idea is there.
Okay. Was it like eucalyptus or?
Infused with aloe vera.
No. Okay.
And there's shampoo, lotion, conditioner, and in the shower there's a body wash.
Oh, there's a body wash in there. Okay. Well, that is rather nice compared to most places.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's gonna have the most fun in Vegas of all?
What about a late night? Are you really leaving me for someone else? I want to let you know. You can call my name and I'll come running back to you. Running back to you. I'll come running back. You can call my name and I'll come running back to you. Running back. I'll come running back to you.
All right, so it is morning here in Vegas. Rachel is downstairs somewhere in the casino. I'm gonna go find her. We're gonna grab breakfast, do some walking, and check out more of the Bellagio.
The Conservatory and Botanical Gardens display changes every season. So by the time this video is out, I'm sure it will be something completely different. Either way, it never disappoints.
But I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right?
Because we used our American Express Platinum card for our stay, we were able to take advantage of a nice breakfast credit. Luckily, we were able to use it at Siddell's.
Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs.
Western omelet, what'd you get, Rach?
Hash browns, bacon, I'm getting a sticky bun. You got a bagel here.
Bagel. Good stuff.
Trying to find some love in this crazy world. I feel like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved.
Is that a real pumpkin? I guess, huh? Like Willy Wonka.
Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride. 'Cause those
Alright, so what was the name of the breakfast place?
I don't.
Siddell's?
Yeah, I don't know how you.
Anyhow, it was it was really good. It was really good. I'd highly recommend that. The omelet was just cooked perfect, and the hash browns were excellent. The bacon was excellent.
Bun was good.
She loved the sticky bun.
Yeah, with the bacon on the side.
Yep. So, front of the Bellagio. That is where we are staying. Right there.
That's where we're going to be staying.
That's where we're going to be staying later today.
What's really cool about eating in that restaurant, well, I know for Lago for sure, is that you get a unique angle of the fountain
Yes.
show.
Yes, you do.
It's like you're in it.
Yeah, yeah. So that's where we ate last night, right there in Lago. To the pool. Rachel couldn't wait to see the pool.
The pool complex here at the Bellagio consists of 5 beautiful outdoor pools. Do not miss out on taking advantage of this during your stay, if the weather permits.
Yeah, go ahead. All right, so that concludes our trip, our very, very short trip to the Bellagio. But this whole Vegas trip is not about the Bellagio, it's about next door. So we are walking over to check in to the Cosmopolitan for the next 4 nights. So thanks for watching. And my last review on the Bellagio, really, if I'm gonna be honest, it's an awesome, awesome place. The decorations, the decor, the food are amazing. The only thing I think is lacking a little bit is the room. Needs some work. Other than that, all good. If you come to Vegas, definitely check this property out. Later.